Hi everyone, my name is Christy and oh my gosh, I just got such an awesome surprise in the mail. Well, I mean, not exactly a surprise. I knew these were coming, but I did not think that they were coming today. But I just got both of my Boxycharm boxes delivered in the mail and I am so excited. I actually just unboxed my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate and was saying how I thought that the rest of my boxes would get here soon. I did not think it would be this soon, but this is awesome. So I got my $25 regular base box and my $35 Boxycharm Premium. Look at the size difference. Like, this is basically double the size of my base box for only $10 more. But sometimes the value in the base box ends up being more than the premium box. So I am going to start off by unboxing my Boxycharm $25 base box and let's see what I got. Okay. Oh, good. Product information on the card here. Ooh, the theme of this month is candy shop. I love that. So here is how it looks. Oh, right on top is a bag from Luxy. So I'm guessing I've got some brushes in here. Yes. So Luxy makes good brushes and I do use my Luxy brushes often. So here's a little eye brush set. I typically don't really want brushes in my subscription services because I feel like I've gotten so many of them. So these will just get added to the collection. But this is the Luxy Wonderlust set, $40. For the 5-piece set that includes tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shading brush, and a brow lash brush. All right, next up I have, this is from the brand Dose of Colors. It's Meet Your Hue. Ooh, full coverage concealer. Is this the product I chose? I have it in the shade number 8 Light. Looks like it should be good for me. I'm pretty sure I chose this shade, but yay, I'm so excited to get a concealer. I rarely get complexion products in my beauty subscription boxes, so when I do, I get so excited. And just in general, they're like my favorite types of makeup. Like, I love foundation and I love concealer, so I can't wait to try this out. If you're not already aware, I have a Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series on my channel, so I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products I get. And then after I've tried out all of my products for the month, I'll be doing a full face makeup tutorial using all of those products. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on those. And let me know as I go through and I'm unboxing if there's any products that you're really interested in seeing my dedicated review videos on first. Let me know so then I'll prioritize filming those products first. Ooh, next up, I'm so excited. I love this brand. This is from Sol de Janeiro, Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu Lip Butter. No way, I did not know that Sol de Janeiro makes lip products and like a beautiful lipstick too. Okay, typically I don't swatch in my unboxings and I save those for the dedicated videos, but I have to. Ooh, yes, it has a tint to it. Oh my gosh. Okay, it doesn't have that classic Bum Bum Cream smell to it. Doesn't really smell like anything. Love the packaging though. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Shade called Soul Mate. 2 words. Soul Mate. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is so exciting. Oh, look at me. I'm forgetting to give the retail value, and I like to add up the retail value. Okay, so $40, like I said, on the Luxy brushes. And then the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu Lip Butter retails for $20. Gosh, I'm so excited about that. And then the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer retails for $24. And next I'll pull out from Ace Beauté Draw It Lip Liner. Ooh, lip liner duo. Ooh, cute packaging, love the pink. So we've got the shade Be Peachy. While I'm swatching things, I'll go ahead. Ooh, that looks like it'll go well with the Sol de Janeiro lip butter. And then I got the shade So Gorgeous, like a red. I'm actually really excited to do a lip look using all of the lip products in this. Those seem like really nice, creamy lip liners with good pigment. And the Ace Beauté Draw It Lip Liner Duo retails for $16. And then my last product to show you in my base Boxycharm box. Ooh, look at the cute packaging on this. This is from Beauty Bakery. It's the Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. I don't think I have tried out a Beauty Bakery brand product yet. Oh, I'm so excited to see this in my box. Okay, time for the reveal. Ooh, okay, this is not the color story and color scheme that I was expecting based off the packaging, right? I was kind of expecting like pastel, like sprinkles, bright colors, but no, this is more of like jewel tones, darker shades. There's a good mix of mattes, shimmer, glitter. So yay, I love getting an eyeshadow palette in Boxycharm. I love trying out eyeshadow palettes, and I'm so excited that I get to try out a Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette. And so this has a retail value of $38. All right, so I will add up my total retail value and do a recap of all those after I open my Boxycharm premium box. It's so exciting having both boxes to do in my boxing right now. Usually I just do one per video, so I'm like, oh my gosh, wait, there's more. Okay, so now for the premium box. Ooh, some products right on top here. And so great, I get product information again. And ooh, the products on top are from Kosas, which I have not tried out Kosas products yet, but I have heard so many good things. So this here is the tinted face oil. I'm pretty sure this is the product I chose. And I was watching a Emma Chamberlain video, I think it was the other day, and she used this and said it's her favorite face product. I'm like, oh my gosh, I think I chose that for Boxycharm, and I can't wait to try this out. So tinted face oil that I got in the shade 3.5, fair light with neutral undertones. And this retails for $42. Tinted face oil foundation. I'm so excited to try this out, and it seems like it'll be different, like a different texture, a different foundation experience than I've tried before. So I am very, very excited about that. My first Kosas product, a foundation product, which I was already saying I love foundation. It's so exciting that I'm getting complexion products in Boxycharm. Next up, I have another Kosas product. So from 0 to 2. So this is the Universal Clear Baseline Lip Fuel. I love lip products. Advanced Lip Care powered by active botanicals. Hyaluronic Lip Balm. Kosas Sport. Ooh. Retail value of $18. I love lip balms. I have very dry lips, so I'm sure this will be really nice for me. Speaking of lip products, oh my gosh, this looks beautiful, this color. It like matches my sweater, so clearly I love this color. This is from Laura Geller, another brand that I love. 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. And this shade is called Pink Pucker. Ooh, pretty. Retail value of $21. Wow, Kosas and Laura Geller. This is why I think I love Boxycharm more than Ipsy, because I'm just so excited about the brands that I get. So I get them for such an amazing deal. Next, I'll pull out, ooh, this palette from the brand Illuminati X Isa. Oh, so I think this is a collab with Isabel Bedoya. All right, so let's see what this eyeshadow palette looks like. Oh, see, now that is the color that I'm excited to see. I mean, I love all eyeshadow palettes, honestly. I love neutrals, I love color, but see, this is just fun and exciting. But you do get a good range of neutrals as well. But oh, there's some beautiful mattes, some glitters, some shimmers, some metallics. This one is going to be so fun to play with. And I like the packaging. You've got that big mirror. And did I already say this retails for $48? So I am not familiar with the brand Illuminati Cosmetics. So I love trying out new makeup brands and discovering new ones through the beauty subscription services that I do. Ooh, okay, now this is a brand that I love, Murad. This is hydrating toner. Ooh, I have recently gotten into toners. AM and PM, spray onto the face after cleansing. Then apply your Murad treatment onto damp skin. So it's kind of your in-between cleanser, serum, moisturizer step. And I really like using toners now. I have incorporated one into my skincare routine, and I'm really excited to try this. This retails for $35. And then the last product here, oh, this is from the brand Go-To Skincare, which is not a brand that I'm familiar with. Exfoliating Swipies, foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. This is funny, I got an exfoliator and a toner in my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box this month, so I am well stocked up now in toner and exfoliators, but they are two skincare products that I really love, that I definitely use in my skincare routine, that I have seen results from. So I highly recommend using a toner and an exfoliator. So the Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies retail for $35. And that is everything I got in Boxycharm for the month of October. Okay, I got really awesome boxes. I feel like when I combine my Boxycharm regular, the base box, with my premium, I have a full face of everything I need, from foundation to concealer, the eyeshadows, skincare. Maybe I'm missing a few things, you know, like brows and mascara, but that is totally fine. I have plenty of those, but I am so excited about what I got. Okay, let me do a recap. First, I'll start out with the base box. So I got the Ace Beauté lip liners, the Dose of Colors concealer, the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter, the Luxie brushes, and the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette, bringing it to a total retail value of $138. And now for my Boxycharm premium box, I got the Go-To Exfoliating Swipies, the Murad Hydrating Toner, the Kosas Lip Balm, the Kosas Tinted Face Oil Foundation, the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color, and the Illuminati X Isa Eyeshadow Palette. And that brings us to a total retail value of $199. So $138 value versus $199. But both of them, I got brands that I am so excited about, products that I'm so excited about. So I am honestly definitely a lot more excited about both of these boxes compared to my Ipsy Ultimate box that I just got, which that unboxing is up on my channel if you want to go see that. And Dexter has to make a little appearance in this video. Bye. But let me know in the comments down below what you got in your October Boxycharm boxes. And if there's any products in here that you have tried, I definitely want to know your thoughts on them. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.